Hi everyone, welcome to all my code driven QA channel. So hopefully my previous two videos are helpful to you. Those are related to the one is Java setup and another is a TypeScript with playwright setup. Now today I will be showing how we can set up the Python with PyCharm, and here I'm using RobotFramework. So agenda is clear. First we download the Python library and Python latest version. Then we can set up the environment. After that, after setting the environment, then we can download the PyCharm latest version. And after downloading the Python and PyCharm, then we need to install some libraries with the help of pip. Pip means Python install packages. So pip, nowadays there are some upgraded version on Python. Whenever we can download the Python, the pip is automatically installed. But previously, whenever we are using the 3.8 version of Python, that time we can manually download the pip. But nowadays there are option checkbox option. If we tick that checkbox, then pip is automatically installed. So yeah, so last step in that we can we download some Selenium libraries, then Robot Framework libraries, then pop pip. Okay, so let's go to the first step. So in that first step, we can download the Python. So just jump on browser and here you can type the Python download for Windows. So for Windows there are some stable version are there 3.11. So I'm click on it, and once I click on it, there is a page. So this is the stable releases, and in that there is a note Python 3.11.9 cannot be used for Windows 7 or earlier, but I'm using Windows 10, so it is fine for me. And you always so please check your Windows version. According to that, you can download the Python. So first, you can just select the 64-bit, and once you can select, you can just click on it, and there is a option like so. Here I'm already downloaded, so that's why it's showing this. How we can check that? So go to the command prompt and that just write Python version. So see, my 3.13.9 version are downloaded successfully, and once we can enter the command, it's showing successfully. And if you check the location of that Python, then we can just write the command Python. So this is the my Python location in C drive, and in this folder the Python is available. So I'm just if I'm also checking the environment path also. So I'm saying in the latest version the path is automatically set up, because there is the option environment path is set up automatically. If you check that checkbox, then it's environment will automatic setup in your laptop. Don't worry, I'm showing you. So just go to the setting and environment variable. So see in that here it is automatically set up. Fine. So we don't need to manually set up the environment variable, because in latest version it is automatically set up. Okay, now the second step is we can download second step is also completed, the environment variable. Then third step is download the PyCharm. I'm just opening this and download PyCharm for Windows. So JetBrains is the official website, and once you click on it, so there is an option like Windows and the official website. So I'm click on it. PyCharm ID. So I'm download this here. So here I have download. So here I have downloaded the PyCharm. So I'm clicking on finish button. And open this PyCharm. So here I'm selecting new project. So here you can able to see this is my new project location and project virtual environment, and this is my Python version. So create. So I'm creating it now. Here I'm just check. Python version is visible, and the version is also visible, 25.2. So now I'm just trying to download the uh, now I'm going to city, and then I'm going to plugins, and that so just type and delete. Here I want to delete plugin. Following plugins are coming to JetBrains. Accept it and start it. Okay. So again I go to the setting, that same plugin. So now we installed successfully. I wanted to install. The second thing is pip install Selenium. Save. And just run this command just for confirmation. Not needed. Yes. install pip 25.3. Because it's showing previously it's showing our pip is old version, so I just run this command, so my previous version is up to date. Now it's 25.3, previously I was 25.2, now it's 25.3. So next I'll just clear it, and now the next command is pip install robot framework. So pip install robot framework and enter. See, it is download successfully. And the last thing is pip install robot framework dash selenium. So I'm just copy it and pip install robot framework selenium library. So this is also installed successfully, and clear it. Now our setup is ready. Okay, so now I have created one folder, and in that test2.robot, and then I have write a small script. So in the settings, and then that setting I'm write down. In the setting, whatever library we are using, that's we have written, right? And then sync is on, and then third is the second is variable. So in that variable we write down whatever variables we have used in that script, like whatever you done in that variable folder. So in Sublime in real project we have stored here the URL. So for URL we write down in robot framework to launch the URL. There are dollar in curly bracket, we write down URL, and then or simply URL. My URL is okay. And now, so in that robot framework the spaces are very important. Whenever I'm write down library, then two space, and then selenium library. Variables also in that there is space, setting in that also there is space. If I'm not giving the space, I'm getting error. See? So spaces are important. And then here I'm mentioning double space and URL, and then last thing is setting URL and test cases. In that test cases block I'm mentioning so in that suppose I'm launch the browser. So first thing is open. This is the keyword, open browser. These are the keywords. So for if you are seeing means if you need this kind of keyword, simply go to the robot framework page. So this is the robot framework page, and in that simply go to the library, and here is the Selenium library. So this is the official page, and in that you can just refer introduction, keyword documentation. So in that keyword documentation, these are the keywords. See, here we can get all the information like which keyword we are using for which purpose. These things are in detail we are seeing in that official page. So open the browser. I'm just write a small script. Open browser. Then I'm just mentioning this URL thing. Copy and paste here. And then I'm just launch Chrome here. Chrome browser. That's why I'll write down the Chrome. Then once we are right down here, all the error are resolved now, and just run this script of robot test. So while using robot test, it's run all the test cases. If we are write down robot and our test 2, only test 2 file is running. So my path is wrong. So robot and that test and that test 2 dot robot. So see, my test case executed successfully, and it's showing one test case is run, one is pass, and it's showing title also match, pass. So this is the robot framework setup and the initial browser launch while using robot framework. So everyone, please like and subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubt, any question, so please write down in comment section, so I will answer on it.